So today also we are going to play a story game. Okay,
Yes.
we will give words to each other, and we will make a story by these given words. Okay,
Okay.
going to give me or I give you.
Okay. First, you give me, and then I have prepared some words, so I will give you.
Okay, so I'm giving you few words. The first one is park.
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 Eh, Okay. Park and
Grand grandfather.
okay.
A pet. Pet.
Okay. Park. Grandfather.
A pet. Pet.
A pet. Okay. Pet.
And
Okay.
children. Kids or children.
Okay. Children. Okay.
These
Okay.
are the
Okay.
words to make a story out of it.
Okay. 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 So I try to make a beautiful story with this sentence, with this word. So okay, my story is like that. One day, grandfather grandfather went to walking in the park, and few children were playing nearby. They saw grandfather and said, "Grandfather, where are you going?" Grandfather said, "Children, I'm going to do some walking." So children were very curious to know why grandfather is doing every day, why he is walking. So children's curiosity, they ask grandfather,
Yeah.
grandfather, why you do this, why you walk every day, why you do exercise, yoga, can you explain? So grandfather said, children, do you know these all are very good for our health, walking, jogging, yoga, exercise for everyone. So children feel that, okay, grandfather, we are not doing so. What should we do? So grandfather said, "You all are children. You not need to do yoga exercise. You just play in the park regularly after your schooling, after your study. That is enough for you. Not need to worry about all this. When you grow up, then you go for exercise, walking, jogging. Otherwise, play is enough for you." The all children were very happy to hear heard all this, and they feel that, okay, playing is like exercise. Grandfather said, yes, children's playing is also exercise for children. It's a
Yes.
natural exercise for children. So then one boy asked, grandfather, us, we are a human being. We walk, we play for our exercise, for our fitness. So, can you tell me that animals also do the same?
Yes.
Grandfather said, yes, animals do the same. They always run, they always walk, sometimes they play with each other. So they also do exercise in their daily routine. So
Yes.
then one of boy name is Sonu. He asked, grandfather, my pet dog is always go with my pet for walking. So
Yes.
it is good for uh, my dog. So grandfather said, yes, it's good for you as well as your pet dog. So where is your pet dog? Grandfather asked. Then Sonu said, my dog at home. So grandfather told him that go and bring it and play with your dog. It would be better for you and for your dog. So Sonu went to home and then brought his dog and started playing with, and all children were playing. Grandfather, after completing his walk, he sat down on the chair beside the park. So he took a rest and then he went to the his home, and all children also went to their home. Yes, that's my story.
So that is very good story you created within a minute, because you didn't have any idea and you expressed it very beautifully. You made this story. So such a wonderful job.
Okay, thank you so much.
The story you have given a message. Also, you included a message in this story and you completed it very beautifully. So that is wonderful job.
Yes, thank you so much. Actually, you gave me a very, like a very genuine topic, so I mixed all the things and created a beautiful story. Yeah.
Yeah, our main thing when it comes and how we frame the words in the sentences, that is the main thing, and you did.
Yes. Okay, so I don't think that I started. I also arranged some word for you. So let's see how you make. Okay. I
Yeah,
hope this word is going to help you. So my first word is orange,
orange.
elephant, elephant, monkey, banana.
Okay.
Uh,
So I'm going to write a story. So once upon a time, there's a big jungle. There were many animals living in that jungle. So there were monkeys, elephants, tigers, and many of other animals were living together. So they were some of them were good friends, some of them were good neighbor, and some of them were just busy in themselves. So one day there was a monkey was very hungry, and he was thinking. It was thinking that what should I eat uh, to fulfill my hunger. So was thinking about that. All of a sudden, there was elephant coming across the road. So he saw an elephant. He was trying to take out the bananas from the banana tree. So
yes.
his monkey was very monkey's mouth was full of water, and he thought that if the elephant will eat, and maybe possible it will give me also, so let me ask him he will share with me or not. So monkey went to the elephant and asked that I'm very hungry, will you give me some would you give me some banana to eat? So but this time elephant not ready to give, because he was also very hungry. So he said, no, I'm so hungry and going to eat all the because I'm very hungry, so I can't with you because these are not sufficient to me. And even I so, monkey thought, okay, all right, it's uh, it's his thing. So if he is not ready to give me, so let it be. When the lion is sorry, when the elephant started eating, so monkey was sitting beside him. So he was eating banana. Was, uh, he he thought that no, it's not good to eat. Sharing the caring, we should share with our friend, and we are family, so we should share with him. So he invited the monkey. okay, let's eat banana with me. There's no matter if sufficient or not. We prepare and can eat with. They started eating, uh, but after a while, Monkey went back to the tree and some oranges. So Elephant was very delighted. He offers to the I have these oranges and you can eat it. So it
Yes.
was very happy and he thought we do eat someone so we take it back. We get it returned.
Yes.
So they were very they hugged each other. So they become a good friend and always they lived with together and they shared all the together.
Yes. Yes. It's a wonderful story of sharing and caring.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sharing and because everybody has something or the other, but nobody wants to share with someone. So it is not a good thing when we have something. So we always think that no, it's not sufficient to me. So how can I share with anyone else? So if we have a little thing, so then we could share that thing with others, with needy.
Yes.
Yeah, so that is the good thing. And when we do that, so God will provide you a lots of thing
Yes.
out of
Yes. And good things always return back.
that return back. Yeah, so how we behave, so in that manner we get back the
Yes.
situation, we get the things, we get back the blessings.
Yes, yes, of course. When we are, when even when we are favor someone for anything, so we are also get the same favor. Otherwise, if we behave badly, so the all the comes with ourselves.
Yeah, when we live in a good community, in a particular community, just like we are human beings, so we have a different community, and animals have their own community. So if we are belonging from that community, so we should uh, become friend. We should be like a friend, behave like a friend, and we should share and help each other.
Yes, yes, absolutely. It's a moral story here.
Yeah.